Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to work with camera directly in openCV. As some of you already may know, working with the camera is very essential part for the openCV application. Every time you get the image from the camera, you do some image processing and then display the result back to the screen. Okay, so let's get started. First, create a new project. Call openCV camera and hit next. Choose empty activity and finish. In this project, I'm suppose you need to have some Android programming experience, also openCV programming experience. The project should be built without any error. So now we are trying to add openCV library in the project. Hit File, New, and Import model, and select to the openCV SDK, Java, and hit OK. Next, finish. We need to wait some time for compiling Gradle again, and then open the file and project structure, go to the app and dependencies, click add model dependencies and select openCV library, which we already import. Okay, so now make a new JNI folder called JNI libs. Okay, and copy all the file in the lib SDK. openCV Android SDK, SDK native, and libs. Copy and paste to the folder which is we created before, JNI libs, and hit OK. So now we are almost ready to work with openCV. Just check if openCV successful loaded or not. So private static string tag main activity and static. Check if the openCV loaded. openCV loader is okay. Init debug is okay, so we'll show the log. So the message tag and openCV loaded successfully. Okay, otherwise log.i tag openCV not loaded. Okay, hit and enter to import some library. So the final thing we need to do is go into the Gradle property and add android.use deprecate ndk is equal to true. Okay, now we are ready to build the openCV, to build the application. So the final thing we need to do here is try to filter some message in the logcat, call openCV filter and call main activity, the uh, the string which we use for filtering, main activity. Okay, so let's build, let's port it to the actual device. Now I already have the device connected with the computer, so I select it. So you should see the openCV loaded successfully in here in the logcat. Okay, so you see here the message show in the logcat is openCV loaded successfully. So we are ready to work with the camera. In the activity main layout, go to the text and we add a Java camera view for displaying. So org.opencv. Every time you do not remember the class, you can go here, go to opencv Java and Android or something. So you can see the class in here is Java camera view. So go by this direction, org.opencv.android.java camera view, and we copy some property in here and put in the Java camera view. So we have match here, we have the match parent, also match parent here, and we need to define an ID for our Java camera view. So dot address plus ID slash, we call Java camera view. Okay, so we also delete this part to get the Java camera view display full screen, and also get rid of the text view. Okay, so here in the onGrade method, okay, first we need to make a Java an instance of Java camera view called Java camera view, and here we try to bind Java camera view with the Java camera view in the layout. File view by id r.id.java camera view. Okay, so after having Java camera view connected, we set visibility for that so we can see it, surface view and visibility. And also we set a callback function, Java camera view, set a listener for that, set camera view listener, and specify is the main activity which we are working on. Okay, so We also need to override some method like on pause override protect void on pause. Okay, so call the the base class on pause, and now we check if the camera view Java camera view is not equal to null, so we disable it. Java camera view disable view. Also, we need to override other method name on destroy. Override protect void on destroy, and also we call the base function on destroy super on destroy, and then we also check if the Java camera view is null, so we also disable it whenever the activity is destroyed. So the last function we need to override is on resume protect void on resume, and we also call this the base class on resume, and then we copy all the thing we check, cut all the thing we check the openCV working to the on resume. Okay, if the openCV successfully load, so we need to tell we need to tell we need to make a callback function. Sorry. So in order to tell Java camera view display something every time when the activity is resumed, we need to create a new instance of the base callback loader loader. So we base loader callback, and we call is am loader callback, and we create a new instance of the base callback loader. And because this is a anonymous class, so we need to override one method named on manager connected, and in here we specify this activity for that, and switch select if the status loader base loader callback success. So if it is success, so we just enable the Java camera view and break. Okay, and default, and in the default case we just call the base class of the base class on manager connected, and also have we need to break up the case in here because it is one command. We need to have a semicolon here. So in here, if the openCV loaded successfully, so we call the on manager connected and transfer the parameter loader callback interface succeed. Yeah, and then here, if openCV is cannot load it, we try to load it again. Init asynchronize and openCV loader, openCV version, and specify this activity and the callback loader callback. Okay, so now we already finished binding openCV, the activity and Java camera view. So in order to get the image, the frame from the camera, we need to implement CV camera view listener 2. Hit and enter to implement some method, and we need to implement 3 methods. So that first method is on camera view start, second is on camera view stop, and on camera frame. So here we make a new instance named mat mrgpa. Okay, so in the on camera start, we try to initialize the mrgb mat new mat, and we have height and width and CV type dot CV8 UC4, because we have 4 channels in here, A, G, B, and alpha. Also in the on camera view stop, we will need to release the magic mrgpa release. And also here, actually in this on camera frame, we get the frame from the camera. So we have the mrgpa, and we set it to the input frame and RGBA, and here we return mrgba. Okay, the final thing is we need to have the permission working on the camera. So come into the manifest of application. So remember, the manifest of application, not manifest of the openCV library. So here we'll try to get the permission, use permission and camera, and that's all. So now we try to build the Gradle, see if it has any error. we'll view the application and select the connected device, which is a Samsung S5 here. So hit OK. After some time, we'll see the camera on the smartphone. Okay, so you see here the camera I already connect with showing the computer, so it's easier for you to see, right? So camera working fine. So now we are trying to write some simple image processing function, like convert color to the grayscale, and uh, doing some edge detection by using Canny detector. So here we make a new math named image gray and also image Canny. Those math we need to initiate in here in the on camera view start. Okay, so first we have M gray, and we only have one channel for the grayscale image, and Canny also one channel. One channel. So in here we try to add like impros CVT color, and we have mRGB A and image gray, and impros RGB to gray. So now we return the image gray. So see if it going to the grayscale or not. It display. Okay, so here, yeah, already changed to the grayscale. So you see, now we try to apply the Canny detector in here. Canny detector. So that's very simple. We also use impros Canny, and we have mRG gray and img Canny, and we have set two threshold, for example 50 and 150, and return the img Canny. Okay, view it again. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, so because I have no license for this mirror OP receiver, so it needs some time to connect it again. So you see here we already have the Canny detector in the smartphone. So actually you can do with you can try to play with other image processing like Gaussian filter or median filter or something. It's very easy and straightforward. So that is for camera in the opencv with the Android Studio. Thank you for watching.